This is Cat S53 and today I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can see, my parental controls are indeed active. So in order for me to turn them off, I will need to open settings, then go for Google category. Over here tap at the manage your Google account button. After that, open the data and privacy page, scroll it all the way down, choose the delete your Google account option. Now, in order to continue, we will need to input the account password, so let me quickly do that. Then at the following delete your Google account page, check those two boxes at the bottom, tap at the delete account option to your bottom right. And that should do it. From here, the parental controls should have already been deactivated if the synchronization took place and was successful. So let me see that real quick. Yep, as you can see, there is no longer any Google account over here. And if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So the last thing that I need to do is to recover the Google account so it will not vanish. And that's as easily achievable by logging into the Google app or service, any app or service you please, pretty much. I'll go with Play Store. Then after inputting the email address, you should see the following message. Then after this message, enter the password to the account. 9 out of 10 times you will get the something went wrong message. That's completely fine. Simply re-enter your credentials, and the second time around it will allow you to proceed with the sign-in, guaranteed. And now just finish the login process and you will have your Google account back. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.